Can you put away the toys?
Sure, I will put them away now.
We should put off the meeting.
Okay, let's put it off until next week.
Please put on your coat.
I will put it on right now.
Can you put out the candle?
Yes, I will put it out.
Please put down your phone.
Okay, I will put it down.
Can we put up a picture here?
Yes, let's put it up on the wall.
Can you put in the key?
Sure, I will put it in the lock.
Let's put together a puzzle.
Great idea. I love to put together puzzles.
Can you put across your ideas?
I will try to put them across clearly.
Let's put aside some time for homework.
Good plan. We can put that aside for now.
I can't put up with the noise.
I understand. It's hard to put up with.
Please put forth your opinion.
Okay, I will put it forth now.
Can you put back the book?
Yes, I will put it back on the shelf.
Please put this paper into the folder.
Sure, I will put it into the folder.
Let's put the toys out of sight.
Good idea. We can put them out of the way.
Can we put up for a photo?
Yes, let's put up for a quick picture.
Why did you put him down?
I didn't mean to put him down. I'm sorry.
Don't put pressure on me.
I won't put pressure on you. Take your time.
Let's put something together for the party.
Good idea. We can put together a fun plan.
Can we put up a fight if we need to?
Yes, we can put up a fight for what is right.
Can you put in a good word for me?
Sure, I will put in a good word for you.
We need to put a stop to this problem.
Yes, let's put a stop to it together.
Who will put someone in charge?
I think we should put someone in charge soon.
Let's put something into practice tomorrow.
Great. We can put it into practice then.
Can we put something to the test?
Yes, we can put it to the test today.
Can you put something to use?
Sure, I will put it to use right now.
Can you put on a show for us?
Yes, I would love to put on a show.
We should put a plan into action.
Yes, let's put it into action today.
I will put a lot of effort into my work.
That's great. We can all put in effort.
Can we put a cap on this spending?
Yes, we need to put a cap on it.
Don't put the blame on me.
I won't put the blame on you. It was a mistake.
You put a smile on my face.
I'm glad. It's nice to put a smile on someone's face.